Hello, good people. Today we're going to talk about LED strips. I purchased a set of LED strips to install on a house, and I noticed something immediately wrong with them once I was testing them out. I'm going to talk about that and a little bit more. Here we have LED strips. I'm not sure of the length of this, but these are LED strips, and as you see, they come on a spool. There's a spool there, and this is what the box looks like. And as you see, it has a number of things of options. They have different variations of these. This is made in China with a lowercase c. I'm not sure about the quality control on that part of things, and you can cut them to any length. So as you see, this you have your transformer there on the left, this right here, and the power wires connect to the strips, and then you can cut them in between the junctions where it is noted, and I will show you what that looks like here shortly. This set, it mentions joint or adapter. It does not have any adapters that it came with. It just came with the controller, and the controller was already wired up outside of the box. So in the box, this is the controller. It came with a remote. It came with the LED strips on a spool, and then it also came with these clips to install. Now, the problem that I immediately noticed is that while there are clips in here, there are no screws or nails that you can use to secure these clips with. So yeah, you have to provide your own screws or nails. All right, the next thing that I noticed is the remote. And so the remote, it works, but the problem is, so if you press R for red, the strip turns blue. Likewise, if you press B for blue, the strip turns red. And I guess I can reposition this a little bit so you can see. All right, and if you press G for green, it does turn green. So that has led me to believe that since the controller was already wired up that way from the factory, the red and blue are reversed. Their wiring is reversed, and thus the color schemes, all these 16 colors that they market this product as having, they do still work, but the button, you will have to, if you want yellow, like I could press yellow here, but as you see, it turned blue or cyan. And so that is closer to yellow, and that's the greenish button than anything. And so by them wiring it incorrectly, you have the colors not showing up as they should. That being said, that is the major defect for this. And since I purchased them from Amazon, I will be leaving a review on Amazon denoting this particular problem. Hopefully their quality control can fix that and address that in future products that they release. Any comments or questions, drop those down below. If you want LED strips installed in your house, hit us up, rhtservices.net.